There's a remote physics job right now paying $60 to $80 per hour. And it's not about teaching, tutoring, or freelancing on random platforms. The problem is, most qualified physics graduates never apply because they think it's only for top researchers or people already working in AI labs. In reality, if you have a solid physics background, you already meet most of the requirements. In this video, I'll explain what this job is really about and how to apply without messing it up. Now here's the part that really matters, and this is where most people fail. Even if you qualify for this job, you still have to pass an AI interview. And that's where applications get rejected fast. These interviews don't care about confidence or small talk. They test how you think, how you explain, and how consistent your answers are. This is why I use Parakeet AI. It lets you practice real AI interview questions in advance, shows you where your answers break down, and helps you fix them before the actual interview. Instead of guessing what the system wants, you walk in prepared. I'll also be sharing a special referral link to apply through, since I'm working directly with the company. Using that link gives your application higher visibility, which already puts you ahead of most applicants. I'll show you exactly how to use both tools later in the video, so make sure you watch till the end. Now here's the challenge most people don't realize until it's too late. Even though this job is remote, not everyone can access or apply for it smoothly. Depending on where you're located, the job page may not load properly, the application form may fail, or your submission might never even get reviewed. Some companies quietly restrict access based on region, and they don't tell you up front. This is why I use ProxySeller. It gives you clean residential and ISP IPs that make your connection look normal and trusted, instead of flagged or blocked. When you're applying for high-paying remote roles like this, the last thing you want is your location becoming the reason you get filtered out before a human even looks at your profile. My name is Victor. I focus on remote jobs that actually pay well and break down what most people miss when applying. I don't hype things up. I show you what works and what doesn't. If that's your kind of content, subscribe and let's move on. The first step is to create a clean, strong resume. Open Claw.ai and sign in. Once you're inside, just follow exactly what I'm doing on the screen. If you already have a template you like, you can customize it easily. Just adjust the formatting or sections while following along. No need to overthink this part. Keep it simple and focused, then save the resume and move on to the next step. Next, use the special link in the description and click it before doing anything else. This link takes you directly to the correct application page. From there, click Sign Up, enter your email, and verify your account if prompted. Once you're logged in, fill in your basic profile details. Keep everything clean and accurate. I'm not going to slow this part down. Just follow what I'm doing on the screen. Using the link in the description, make sure your application is tracked correctly before you move on. Before the interview, open Parakeet AI. If you don't have an account, create one and start the free trial. Once you're logged in, make sure the trial is active and everything is set up correctly. I'm not going to over-explain this part. Just follow exactly what I'm doing on the screen. The goal here is to have Parakeet ready before you move forward with the interview. Now you're ready to start the interview. Go back to the application page and click Start Interview. Once it loads, take your time and read each question carefully. Don't rush this part. As the interview begins, I'll be showing you exactly how it looks on my screen. Just follow along and do the same on your end. This is where preparation matters, so stay focused and move through each question step by step. Once you've completed all the interview questions, double-check everything quickly, and click Submit Application. Make sure all required sections are filled in and there are no missing details. I'm not going to slow this down, just follow what I'm doing on the screen. After submission, you'll see a confirmation that your application has been received. At this point, you're done, and all that's left is to wait for the next steps. And that's it. You've just seen the full process, step by step, from setting everything up to submitting the application the right way. Most people stop halfway or rush things and wonder why they never hear back. If you followed along, you're already ahead. Keep an eye on your email for updates and stay locked in here because I'll be sharing more real remote opportunities and exactly how to apply for them the smart way. If you want me to personally walk you through how to build real online income skills, I run a private masterclass where I teach resume creation, AI interview prep for platforms like Mercor, setting up payment accounts properly, freelancing platforms, digital skills, and long-term online income strategies. The price is 6,000 Kenyan shillings or $47, and it increases by 2,000 Kenyan shillings or $20 every 100 new members. So if you're watching this early, now is the cheapest it'll ever be. Check the link below, secure your spot, and I'll see you inside the masterclass.